Sometimes you and I just stop before we even begin. It's because we're scared to fail. We compare ourselves to people who already look successful, and suddenly we feel small. Then every mistake feels like proof that we're not good enough.
But one tiny mindset shift can change everything. Replace "I can't" with "not yet."
Not good at it yet. Not confident yet. Not successful yet.
That simple word reminds your brain that growth takes time. So instead of quitting, you keep learning, improving, and moving forward.
And one day, you realize those tiny improvements changed your entire life. Never say, "I can't." Say, "Not yet," and keep growing.